Alright guys, so we're going to triggers. The most exciting part of this whole concept actually. Um, so what we're going to do is create a trigger. Show you how this works guys. You create a trigger, you're going to hit device connects. Device connects means basically anytime the device connects to that person's Wi-Fi. So this means unlimited. Well, we don't want to do unlimited. We want to only send this one time after they've connected any day of the week. So we're going to put that at 1. And we're going to send the visitor a delayed email. So we're going to click on that. And it says where. So we're going to put in Serena Pizza. We're going to add the trigger. Now, right up here is where the email would actually be coming from. We're full service, so we do this for them. It has to be verified to make sure the place is, everything's going in the same place. This trigger will be this will be a delay. So you figure they've come to eat about 2 hours later. They're either home or resting or whatever. So I go ahead and put this for 2 hours because we're going to send basically a cool email here. Email subject is going to be like, how did we do today? Or something to that effect, depending on what the customer wants. Now, this is the little bit of the exciting part for us. It makes it easier for us on the back. We've created some templates, went around the internet looking for different things that people are using now that actually work. So we select a template here, and the one that we're going to do today is this one. And so we're going to select the template, which is already in. So this is the email that they're going to get in about 2 hours after they have left the building, the business. So we appreciate it. How did we do? You can use their social media down here if you like, link to their website, whatever they want us to do for them. We can put their logo up here. We can do pretty much anything. Alright, so let me show you what this looks like after it's been sent in an email. So hopefully I'll be able. Okay, so check this out. This is an email that we received from the business, which would have been Serena Pizza. So when I click on yes, it was a great time, it will automatically take me to give it a 5-star rating on Google. Best pizza ever. As you can see, I've already done this, and I've already posted one. So I'm going to go ahead and get cancel. And as you can see, she used to have 33, now she has 35 because of us. And this is what you want to build up your search engines, to build up her placement in Google. Plus, people listen to Google reviews. Okay, so then we go back over to the email, and let's say that they're going to complain. Well, we go ahead and click on that. It's going to send an email to Jocelyn instead of going to Google's review. I know, it's pretty cool. So I click on that and see how it opens up an email. How can we do better? Tell us about your experience. So the company can basically fix the mistake that they made, or deal with the waitresses, or deal with whoever they need to deal with. So I thought that was pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and delete that out of there. And that's it for this trigger. Now remember, this trigger can be done many ways, but this is just the first email that they will get when they leave the pizza place. Okay, so we're going to go back over here, and we want to test it. We have a test in here where we can test it to make sure everything works. Then we go ahead and hit add trigger, and we're pretty much done. So we will go back to the triggers, and you'll see the trigger here now. Now the trigger that you saw in the email was done by this one right here, which I did yesterday. And that's how we do the email. And remember this, let's go ahead and go back to the one we just did. Alright, so let's go down here. Remember, we don't have to use this template. This is just our first email. So let's say the following day or a couple days later, we hit them with something like, "We miss you. Thank you for your continued support in business. Complimentary 30% off your next purchase." All this can be edited to however the company needs it. This was just a jumping off point that my son came up with. We're going to keep adding to this as much as we can. But, let's go ahead and select a different template just so you guys can see it. Yes, for sure. So what are you doing this Tuesday night? What are we doing this Friday night? Anything, can be put there. Remember, totally edible, and we can put anything we want in here as far as links, logos, anything we want. So I thought that would be a good thing for you guys to let them know. And remember, we can send them an email every day, every other day, every week, text messages, pretty much anything. But as far as the triggers are concerned with email, there we go.